Thank you for joining us today. So how has the show been going so far to you?
It's been really good so far, yeah. Really good day yesterday at the conference. Learning a little bit more about market trends was really fascinating. Maybe we have an answer for one of the questions posed at the end. Why are the numbers in Spain so high? Maybe we know a little bit about that. But no, it's been really good and great at the trade show today to meet new customers, network, and tell people about our fantastic products.
Yeah, great. I was actually about to ask that question as well. Why do you think the numbers in Spain are so high in this industry?
Well, what we've seen in Spain is a real early shift away from polycarbonate towards PET. And we've played a big part in that. So Petainer is a PET supplier. We supply PET preforms and also blown containers as well. And we are very active in that market, servicing a major customer who has really stepped forward on the front foot to move towards PET, gain all those advantages and shift away from polycarbonate, because the ban on polycarbonate containers due to the PPWR law is coming into place in June of 2026. So there's only so long you can continue to place polycarbonate containers on the market, and PET is the natural replacement. It looks good, it's light, it's robust, and it allows for two-stage manufacture. So you can blow your own containers, we can supply preforms, and that way you keep the manufacturing in-house and you cut down on logistics costs. You're not shipping as much air, you're shipping preforms.
Amazing. And what trends do you think you're seeing in this in the water coolers and hydration markets?
Yeah, it's interesting. I think we're seeing a move away from single-use packaging. I'm really keen we use the word packaging, not plastic, because other packaging formats don't solve the problem of waste leaking into the environment. But I think there is a shift from single-use packaging to larger bulk packaging for water. I think it's a great way to deliver high-quality water to customers, and it tells a good sustainability story as well. So my role is sustainability director, and we know that larger bulk containers, particularly refill, are the lowest carbon footprint solution to deliver water. And that we think is quite exciting. Reuse is really an exciting topic at the moment. Petainer is really well placed to service that with large containers, but also small ones. And I think the water cooler market is a little bit underestimated for how well it does reuse, 30, 40 cycles out of 5 US gallon, 20 litre containers. That's amazing. That's a real sustainable success story.
And what's next for your company as we move into 2026?
We're developing new products. So actually, this is the exciting thing for 2026. We're nearly about to launch our 3 US gallon containers. So in the same way you've got the 5, with an aging population, 5 US gallon or 20 litres, it's like 21 kilos to lift. It's quite a lot. 3 US gallon, 13 litre, smaller, easier to lift, robust. If you're living by yourself or a smaller family, really good product. So we're doing some really great development work on that, and we're developing preforms for two-stage manufacture as well. So this is a really exciting product at the moment.
Amazing. Thank you so much.
It's all right, my pleasure.